Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the urinary tract infection. What actually the urinary tract infection is, causes, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and prevention of urinary tract infection. I'm going to cover in this video. Before that, we should know what is urinary tract. Generally, there are two kidneys in the human body. Kidneys play an important role to filter the blood and absorb the essential minerals and remove the waste products in the form of urine. So, the urine from the kidneys enters the urinary ureter, and from the ureter it enters the urinary bladder, and finally through the urethra the urine is excreted. So, the complete system, kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and the urethra, these all together we call it as urinary tract. So, what are the causes of urinary tract infection? Basically, if there is any infection in the urinary tract, we call it as urinary tract infection. And most commonly, urinary tract infection is seen in children with less than 2 years because they won't maintain a proper toilet hygiene after excretion of urine and after excretion of feces. They won't maintain a proper hygiene. This is one of the common cause of UTI in children, and they won't drink sufficient amount of water. And we also see this UTI in people who holds the urine. If urine is held in the urinary tract for a longer time or longer duration, the bacteria in the urinary tract multiply and they cause an infection. And we also see UTI in elderly people, that is greater than 40 years of age. Why? Because of there are certain reduction of hormones, like estrogen hormone is reduced, so there are high chances of UTI in elderly women. And we also see UTI in pregnancy, like because in pregnancies there are certain anatomical changes will occur, physical changes will occur, and certain hormonal changes will occur, like progesterone hormone is increased. Because of all these conditions, we see urinary tract infection most commonly in pregnancy also. And those people who have kidney problem, like who have kidney stones, there is decreased there is obstruction in the urinary tract. Because of the obstruction in the urinary tract also, urine is obstructed. Because of this problem, there are chances of UTI. And people with kidney transplantation also, there is high chances of UTI. And people who are obese, that whose body mass index are high, in that such people also UTI infections will be seen. And people who are in hospital, long term hospitalization, generally people with long term hospitalization, urinary catheter is placed to collect the urine. So in such conditions where urinary catheter is placed, there are chances of urinary tract infection. This is all about the different causes of UTI. Now we'll go with the symptoms. Basically, people with urinary tract infection, they will have a burning sensation while urinating, and painful urination will be seen, frequent urination, and urinary urgency is seen. That is, after emptying the bladder, they feel like again urinating. That is called urinary urgency. And in severe cases, there are high chances of fever will also seen, and blood in the urine is also seen in urinary tract infection. Now we'll go with the diagnosis. In people with urinary tract infection, basically a urine analysis is done, like urine test. In the urine test, we'll see like WBC, white blood cells are increased, pus cells are increased in urinary tract infection. And if the problem is not resolved, they'll go for the urine culture and ultrasound examination. Ultrasound scan of kidneys and bladder is required in severe cases. Coming to the treatment plan, basically urinary tract infection can be treated with antibiotics like nitrofurantoin and combination of trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole, ampicillin, cephalexin, cefuroxime, fosfomycin and ciprofloxacin. These are certain antibiotics used in the treatment of urinary tract infection. Coming to the prevention, we can prevent the urinary tract infection by drinking more fluids. Drinking water helps to remove the toxic materials from the body. And other thing is that we should not hold the urine. We should go to the toilet whenever we feel like bladder is filled, and we should eat foods rich in fibers, and vitamin C rich foods should be eaten to increase the immunity. These are certain preventive measures we can do to prevent the urinary tract infection. This is all about this. If you like the video, please share. Thank you.